Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our wonderful guests. We hear a lot about ginger root. Here it is, what a beauty. How to grate it, how much to use, and where to use it in cooking. And maybe it can be used not just in cooking, so how else can it be used? Ginger. A popular spice and herb that has been used in folk medicine for centuries thanks to its many beneficial properties. It is known for its anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and pain-relieving properties. Let's take a closer look at the uses of ginger in folk medicine, its properties, and the various ways it can be applied. Properties of ginger. Ginger contains various bioactive compounds such as gingerols, shogales, and pyridols, which are responsible for its therapeutic and healing properties. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving effects, making ginger a popular natural remedy for treating a variety of conditions. How about that? Uses of ginger in folk medicine. Nausea and vomiting, for example. Ginger has been used for centuries to relieve nausea and vomiting caused by, for example, motion sickness or morning sickness during pregnancy. And even nausea caused by chemotherapy. Pain relief. Ginger has pain-relieving properties and can be used to ease discomfort. This may include menstrual cramps, headaches, and osteoarthritis. Digestive issues. Ginger improves digestion and can be used to relieve bloating, constipation, and even gastrointestinal cramps and colic. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it useful for reducing inflammation associated with conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, which is quite serious, or inflammatory bowel disease. What are the ways to use ginger? Ginger tea. One of the simplest ways to consume ginger is by making ginger tea. Boil sliced ginger in water for a few minutes, then strain the liquid to make ginger tea. Ginger compress. To relieve pain and inflammation, make a ginger compress. Grate fresh ginger and wrap it in cheesecloth. Apply the compress to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, ginger oil. It can be used to massage sore muscles and joints to relieve pain and inflammation. Ginger supplements. Ginger supplements are available in various forms such as capsules, powders, and extracts, and can be taken to deliver the beneficial properties of ginger to your body. So, ginger is a versatile herb that can be used in various forms to help with a wide range of health conditions. And ailments. Its anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and pain-relieving properties make it a popular natural remedy in folk medicine. However, I do encourage you, before using ginger for medicinal purposes, it's important to consult a specialist, especially if you are taking any medications or have any underlying or chronic conditions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, We're always happy to have you.